Do you see that plant? For over 4 decades, it has been consistently delivering happiness and trust to the Indian farmers. Swaraj tractors are renowned for their simple design, extra power, low maintenance and 100% reliability. The foundation stone for Swaraj tractors was laid in the year 1974, making it nation's first ever indigenously manufactured tractor. Today, lakhs of its tractors are toiling around the world. Swaraj Tractors has the honor of receiving the Deming Prize, awarded for its high quality and extraordinary customer service. That is why Swaraj Tractors are endorsed as Kisan ka power, Desh ka bharosa. So come, let's step inside the plant and explore how Swaraj manufactures such powerful and amazing tractors. This is Swaraj's foundry. This is where we make all the essential casted parts on which the tractor's performance depends in the field. Swaraj is the only tractor company which has its own foundry. That is why Swaraj sets its own high standards and benchmark for quality. Assisted by state-of-the-art technology, Swaraj lays the strong foundation for a tractor that can be neither matched nor surpassed. Now let us talk about the tractor's heart. That's right, the engine. This is the machine room. The key parts of the tractor's engines are machined here, using world-class technology. Each process is carried out on ultra-modern machines from Germany and Japan. These parts are comparable with the best that are manufactured anywhere in the world. These machines are so precise that whether it's the first engine or the 100th, quality remains unchanged, not an iota of difference. The engine manufacturing process on the Swaraj assembly line has been standardized by the use of the right kind of machines. DC tools are used for the perfect torquing of nuts and bolts. In order to avoid any manufacturing mistake, cut sections are displayed at various stages. Pneumatic hammers keep the noise levels low, so that the workers can concentrate on their work. During the process of manufacturing, engine parts are washed many times. This is done so that the dust particles present in the environment do not get into the engine parts, thus affecting its durability. That's why the parts are washed so many times, so that the engine can have a longer life and consistently deliver powerful performance. Swaraj engine parts keep getting tested intermittently at various stages while they are being manufactured. Even at the final stage, the engine that has been made with such precision and effort has to go through yet another stringent test. So you see, it's only after passing through all these stringent tests that an engine qualifies itself to be marked as Swaraj. Now let's glance through the machine shop at Swaraj, where the machining of vital transmission parts is done by ultra-modern machines. After machining, all these parts are subjected to heat treatment for hardening, so that they are prepared to face any kind of tough challenge on the ground. After all, the truest test of gold is only when you pass it through fire. Just like the other key parts, the hydraulics too are manufactured in Swaraj's own plant and are thoroughly tested for their load-bearing capabilities. At Swaraj, under a single roof, tractors' parts are made with lots of care and precision. Have you heard of any other company that can make such a claim? Once they are ready, all the parts come to the tractor assembly line. one end, the chassis and sheet metal gets washed. And at the other, the paint is prepared. Inside the paint shop, the tractor is painted with the help of world-class spray guns to give it those bright colors our customers love. After the tractor is painted, the peripheral components such as the fender, bonnet and the tire are fitted. But before handing it to the farmer, the tractor is made to undergo more rigorous testing. There are many things that keep Swaraj ahead of other companies. Research and development department consistently work towards making Swaraj a more reliable, more powerful tractor. At the heart of our after-sales service lies our belief that the farmer's success is our success and we stand by him through the good times and the bad. My Care Instruction CDs provide you guidelines on how to self-maintain your tractor. Or you could come to service day programs organized at regular intervals around the farms near you. Call us at 24/7 call center. We will ensure your tractor is repaired within 24 hours. You can also visit a service station at any dealership. If none of this works, we will give you a standby tractor so that your work doesn't stop. We are always ready and eager to serve you. Swaraj spare parts are easily available everywhere. Let me tell you an interesting thing. Swaraj is designed and made for the farmers, by the farmers. Most of the employees have a farming background. Hence, they are committed to building a product, keeping the farmers' requirements on top. Swaraj has built products for hard-working Indian farmer to fulfill his dreams of better life. Owning a Swaraj for him is like a child, full of pride and love.